Hello everyone. I just wanted to go over real quick. I did say that I was going to do it. It took me a little while to get my binder out. But this is basically the marriage green card binder that I did. This was a form at the beginning. So as soon as you open it up, I did the interview date, the location, who prepared, our address. Of course, I'm trying to do all that to protect our information. But you'll do the USCIS case number. I put in the wife and daughter, the I-130 case number, alien number, the green card 485 form number on there. Went to on here the table of contents. You can see here section 1 goes through each section, and that'll be for every tab here. As you see there, it goes through there, shows receipt numbers and everything too. On here, there's the timeline. You can see first dance together, all the different steps going through our relationship, all the way through until the interview date. Then when you go here, the first tab, interview letter, you're going to get your actual interview date of the interview here. Any notice of decisions, any request for information, all of that will come in here. So when you go to do that, if you had any type of appeal or anything that you had to put to it, you'll put that in there. And request for evidence, you'll do those forms. The rest of these forms are going to be like up here. That's going to be your 130s. The notice, I put the case number, the receipt numbers and stuff in here, plus the forms. If you go through, you'll have the different forms here. So it'll be all your forms that you're going to do. Then you go through your identification. That's going to be IDs, marriage certificates, birth certificates, passports, all of that. Then joint documents, you're going to see, I did here. It's going to be medical insurance, car insurance, tax returns, anything that had our medical stuff in there, our business together, all of that is in there. Then you're going to have photos, as you see here. This is the section where we did the photos. Here, we just started that out. When you go in here, page 1, did dating, early relationship, broken down by date, the locations, our family, the wedding day, parenting, family life, memorable travel times, the photo with just us, memories and milestones, work and daily life, funny moments that just liked, stepdad moments with the daughter. That's important to have something. If you have kids, make sure you have a section for that. And of course, we had celebrations with both sides of the family. So then affidavits of support. So we had people notarize showing that our relationship was accurate. Then you go through Instagram pages that we did, social media, messaging that we did throughout our relationship. All of that will be in that next section. Travel documents, where we did our flights, hotel stays, all of that is in here. Then Flavia is our daughter. So that's going to be all her immigration forms that we needed in there, all her documents. So that way, in case they ask, we have everything in there. Extras is going to be all the other immigration forms, duplicates of everything that you might need. You'll want to try to create duplicates of anything so you can hand it to the person. But that is going to be basically the book in itself. You can do little decorations. You could do, like, if you had different sections in here, the little post-it tabs to block each section down. I didn't want to overdo it with this, so mainly I just used like the paper clips to make it easier for me. So that is an overall summary of the binder. It is thick. It is a lot of stuff. There's a lot more stuff actually uploaded because I went ahead and, even though I had these pictures, I uploaded 1,000 or probably like 3,000 more photos from our history in there as well. So if you have any questions on the marriage binder, let me know. But that is the marriage binder.